What's the meaning of artilleryman? Artilleryman. Artilleryman.
Artilleryman. Artilleryman. An artilleryman is a military term used to describe a member of an artillery unit responsible for operating and firing artillery weapons such as cannons, howitzers, and rocket launchers. The primary role of an artilleryman is to provide indirect fire support to ground troops during combat situations, using specialized training and equipment to engage enemy targets from a safe distance. These individuals are highly skilled and trained to operate various types of artillery and munitions, making them an essential component of modern warfare tactics. In short, an artilleryman is a skilled soldier trained to operate large and powerful weapons used in combat.